guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm bringing you a eyebrow tutorial. This is how I shape and fill my eyebrows. So I'm starting off with this eyebrow tweezer I use every single time I do my eyebrows. I'm also using this eyebrow razor. It's also a face razor, but I use it primarily for my eyebrows. So here I'm showing you guys the little hairs I'm going to be taking off first with the tweezer. Then I will be following with the eyebrow razor. So just keep on watching so you guys can see exactly what I do to achieve my perfect eyebrow shape. So here I am using this eyebrow razor. I'm going down the middle in between my eyebrows just to get rid of any excess hair that I didn't get to pluck out first. And this is to avoid obviously a unibrow. Then I go in and shape my eyebrows to the desired shape I want them to be. This thing is great. It was only $1. I got it from the Shop Miss A website. I'll leave the link down below. It came in a pack of 2. The other one that it brings is a much larger one. But this thing is great. It cuts the hair very smoothly. It does not hurt at all, and it does a great job. Then as you guys can see here, I'm brushing my eyebrows up. I'm trying to get the longest hairs out so I can see them and I can easily cut them. I'm going to be brushing my eyebrows a couple of times, as you guys can see here, so I can really see those hairs and be able to get them with my scissors. So there I am showing you guys the long hairs. And now I'm taking these scissors and I'm cutting those long hairs. As you guys can see, I'm cutting in the opposite direction that the hair grows. I'm not cutting it in the same direction. This is so that the hairs still appear long even though I'm cutting them. So always make sure to cut the opposite way that the hairs grow, not the same way that they grow in. And this helps give your hairs a much longer appearance, and they don't look like you actually did cut them. They just look a lot more nicely shaped. Okay, so now taking the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette and the ABH number 7 brush, I'm taking the pomade and the dark brown shadow so that you guys can see here. I'm making somewhat of what looks like hairs. As you guys can see, I'm flicking the brush upwards so that it looks like I'm creating small hairs and not like I'm, you know, completely filling in the eyebrow. So flicking the eyebrow brush upwards, like how you see me doing, creates this sort of, you know, makeshift hair. It looks like hair, but it's obviously not hair. It's pomade, but it makes it more natural and it doesn't look completely shaded in. So I like doing this technique more than just going in and filling my eyebrows completely with the pomade or with the powder. I do the same flicking motions at the front of my eyebrows. You guys can see here, creating those, I guess you can call fake hairs, but obviously, you know, we're creating them and drawing them on with the pomade. So you just have to be careful, you know, not to grab your brush too hard. Just very lightly flick it upwards to create those, you know, hair lookalikes. Obviously, like I already said, we're using pomade, but it looks like actual hair. So this is my favorite technique. I do it on the bottom of my eyebrows. As you guys can see here on the top of my eyebrows, I kind of just do fill in my eyebrow shape already. But on the bottom of my eyebrows, as well as at the end of my eyebrows, I like to flick my brush upwards very lightly to create those hair lookalikes. Next is my favorite part. This is where we grab our concealer. I'm using LA Girl concealer. I love and prefer this concealer just because it already comes with a brush applicator, so it makes applying that much easier. So I apply some on the top of my eyebrows as well as below my eyebrows. Then taking this very flat brush from Ulta Beauty, I then remove the concealer and at the same time I am shaping my eyebrows by doing this. So if I didn't make a straight line or if I went too high up on my eyebrows and didn't follow the natural shape of my eyebrows, then this is what the concealer is for. We're erasing any imperfections that we made while filling in our eyebrows. The remainder of the concealer I just drag down onto my eyelid if I'm going to be applying eyeshadow. And as you guys can see here, now I'm doing the bottom of my eyebrow, doing the same thing on top that I did on top. This is very easy. I think it's actually the easiest part of the eyebrow shaping and filling in. It's actually my favorite part because once I get here, I know I'm about to be finished. So yeah, just follow the natural shape of your eyebrow and blend that concealer in with that brush so that you don't have too harsh of a line and it's not too obvious. Here I'm taking my scissors again. I noticed that I had a few hairs that were still a little bit long, so I brushed them upwards again and I cut them with my scissors a couple of times. As you guys can see here, just getting that perfectly even. And then I'm going to be filling in once again if I accidentally brushed away with that spoolie any of the product. I'm filling in it again. Then I did the same thing on the other eyebrow because I noticed these hairs were a little too long, so I made sure to cut them. And once again, I filled in whatever I removed with that spoolie. So here's the final product, you guys. This is what my eyebrows look like after shaping them and filling them in. Lastly, I like to always take this clear brow gel. This is from ABH also. I love this thing. It sets all of your hairs in place and it gives you this kind of wet look, which I really enjoy. And that's it, you guys. So I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you guys are able to follow it and learn some new things as well. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please, if you're able to, share my video if you enjoyed it with your family and your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye, guys.